Hello friends. Have you ever noticed that at the end of the month your salary automatically diminishes? Today I'm going to show one secret method or one secret trick I'm going to discuss with you which will help you save smaller amount of money, but at the end of the year the significant amount will be grown.
All right, we are on PC right now and I'm going to explain the model which we discussed right now. So on day one, what we have to do, we have to save 2 rupees. So day into 2 becomes rupees 2. So on the first day, you'll actually be saving 2 rupees. So this is the balance as on day one. So here's the trick. On day 2, what you have to do, day 2 into 2 rupees, you have to save 4 rupees individually on this day. So if on the first day you saved 2 rupees, on the second day you saved 4 rupees, so your grand total became 6 rupees. This way you have to actually multiply the day into the model you have chosen. Suppose for example, if you have chosen 2 rupees, then 13 into 2 is 26. So at the end of 13th day you will be actually having a balance of 182 rupees. So this way we have to go on the at the end of the first month you will be able to save 930 rupees. This might be sounding as if you will not be able to save a lot of money, but hold on. As the day progresses, the amount will also be going to increase. So on the 31st day, what you have to do, you have to actually save 62 rupees. On the 31st day, you have to save 62 rupees. So at the end of 31st day, you will be having a total of 992 rupees in your account. You have to be patient enough to complete this model. You have to actually save it till the end of the year and you'll be amazed with the result. At the 100th day, what will happen? 100 into 2 at the end of the 100th day. On the 100th day, actually you will be saving 200 rupees on that particular day. You might be saying that what will happen with these smaller amounts, but hold on, you have to be disciplined enough to continue it till the end and you'll be amazed with the results. So at the end of 180th day, what will happen? At the end of the 6th month, what will happen? You will be saving 180 into 2, that is 360 rupees on that particular day, and your grand total will be 32,580 rupees. So you have to go that way till the end. So at the end of 365th day, on the last day, actually you will be saving 730 rupees individually on that day. Your grand total will go to 1,33,590 rupees. So this way you will be able to save a significant amount of money that you normally do not save as usual. So this is how it is actually. For 1 rupees model also I have calculated at the end of the year, if you follow the 1 rupees model, you'll be able to save 66,795 rupees. With 2 rupees model, you'll be able to save 1,33,000 rupees. With the 3 rupees model, you'll be able to save 2 lakh rupees. 4 rupees model, you'll be able to save 2,67,000 rupees. And with the 5 rupees model, if you think that you can save 5 rupees on a daily basis, you can save 3,33,975 rupees as well.
Friends, money can always be handy and it can be used for multiple purposes and it should always be at your hands. So make it a habit to save smaller amounts so it can be handy whenever you need it. Friends, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.